See, April, you could be enjoying this. Did you see these? I thought this was like cooking sticks. I thought these were cooking sticks. That's actually the ramen noodles.
Do me a favor.
Well, yes, I
Can you
know.
help me with my mess there?
I miss the island and all the times when
I'm gonna share this with April, because April loves to see the cooking being done as well.
I miss the Philippines where we would never dream. Feel the nature every day. Seek adventure, never the same. Oh my sweet.
All right. That will now be ready for
I'll never let you
the
go.
vegetables will be next.
Oh, did you see how he set up the vegetables? Did they set up the vegetables?
I love you more than you'll ever know. I can't wait to see
Look at these
you
vegetables.
again.
Onions and bell peppers.
Time is moving much too
They will be going in, and there is garlic. No, that's garlic and ginger.
Did you sip of your beer, your Kolsch?
Behind you.
Yes, you are.
Motherfucker. Yeah, they're very thinly sliced onions, very thinly sliced.
Did you use your slicer for that, or really?
You did it?
Chef Schaefer.
Abby was over there going,
Chief Chef
God
Schaefer.
damn it, I want to help.
Oh yeah.
That's hot.
Never let you go. Honeycomb, I love you.
But I like how you did that also. You didn't break the noodles. I don't like breaking the bloody noodles. Oh, gosh.
That's sacrilege.
Yeah.
That's sacrilege.
Time is moving much
Give me a
too
timer.
but I still feel
Fine.
like
This
the
is
luckiest man.
Did you work in the restaurant before, Malcolm?
Can't wait.
Well, I owned a restaurant.
You did?
Yeah, I owned a Czech restaurant in Colorado.
Like Czechoslovakian? Wow.
Wow. So are you the cook? You're the cook?
No, hell no. I just ate.
What kind of food did you enjoy at the Czechoslovakian restaurant?
Asamuco is good.
I will never stop telling
That's gonna sit. That's more always. Anything that's meat related. European foods.
I can't wait to see your face again. Honeycomb, I miss you. Time is moving much too slow, but I still feel like the luckiest man. Honeycomb, I love you more than you'll ever know. I can't wait to see your face again. Honeycomb,
The watcher.
I miss you.
Yes. Yes. A watcher. Not the washer, but the watcher.
What we're gonna do is make these warm and start to get clear. And we're gonna add a little bit of aromatic. Garlic and ginger. And then we're adding that and that.
And what is this meal called?
It's beef Mongolian noodles.
Oh, Rose, my love, you're an angel from above, and right now I'm missing you.
You put sesame on this also?
Oh, that's what I need love to use. Oh, okay. You're already reading my mind.
Great.
And we throw on top garnish it with green onion and sesame seeds.
Another moon, laugh and joke like you always do. I miss the Philippines, where we would live a dream. Feel the nature every day.
From the noodles?
Seek adventure, never the
You know when you're flying and the other person's flying, you want to be the one going, you know what? Give me the controls. I want to be the one flying.
Yeah.
Do you want to be the one cooking, Ivy?
I can't wait to see your face again.
Give me the control.
Honeycomb, I miss you.
I.
Much too slow, but
Oh yeah.
Saan? Wait,
Yes.
ano ba yun? What else, love?
There's a lot in there.
oh, I
Tayo. Tayo kasi talagang ginawa ko na. Oh, love.
Oh, nice color, nice smell.
Ooh, sorry,
I
love.
miss your long black hair when you smile ear to ear.
So there's enough for Ivy, but what about us?
I miss April Lynn, our daughter next to kin. She is growing up to be just
Oh,
like
yeah.
you, except she might be 5'2".
This is without rice.
I hope you're busy
Yung sauce na
taking
lagay.
care of our home sweet home. I appreciate you. I hope you know.
There's no rice with this?
No, it's all noodles.
Oh wow.
That is our
Never
carbs
let
session.
you
Yeah, you're getting a hell of a lot more carbs out of the noodles than you are.
Yeah.
You could do this with rice. You could.
Okay, you want the sauce that you bought, Malcolm?
This is Mongolian noodles.
That big bowl that you poured in there.
What are the sauce that you made? Or that you...
I'm sorry?
What the sauce that you...
It's got hoisin sauce, it's got soy sauce, it's got brown sugar, it's got chili sauce.
Can't wait to feel your
Alright. Oh shit, throw that in.
by my
What am I doing?
side.
The most important thing. Dan, girl, glad you caught me.
I don't want to say anything because I don't want to be...
No, that's the most important thing. The beef's gotta go in.
Oh, she's showing it to you. It's not gonna be beef.
It's not gonna be beef noodles unless we got beef, is it?
Yeah, beefless noodles.
Good, good. Ang dami niyang sayang ngayon. Ha? Ang dami niyang sayang.
Honeycomb, I love you more than you'll ever know. I can't wait to see your face again. Honeycomb, I miss you.
The beef yo.
I'm gonna get Greg and me a little bit more coach. And then we'll take it outside. Question. Chopsticks or no chopsticks?
I'll have chopsticks, yeah. I love chopsticks.
No chopsticks.
Dapat you already cooked.
Are they already out there? Okay, and fork?
Yes.
Okay. So we have both.
Because I know after
Load up your bowl.
Wow.
Load up your bowl.
Look
and
at
then
that.
we'll go eat. I'm going to.
Kain na.
that. You want me to put your...
You saved the day.